Iya tuh. Pada ini guys, ini adalah satu yacht boat dari Australia yang bersandar di Pulau Banda tadi malam dan sekarang ada di sini. Kita diundang parkir di sini dan menjadi teman atau mainan anak-anak Banda untuk bermain. Tadi kami ketemu di rumah di hotel Cirubintang dan mereka berasal dari Australia. Ada 2 keluarga, 8 anggota keluarga yang yang tinggal di kapal ini, dan mereka sudah keliling Indonesia dan menggunakan kapal Catamaran ini. Dan ya rencananya mereka akan kembali ke Australia malam ini. Biasanya di Banda ini banyak sekali yacht yang seperti ini kalau lagi kondisi angin timur, dan di sini ada bisa puluhan atau banyak sekali kapal-kapal yang hadir dan di Banda ini. Ini salah satunya. We are on board now.
Yes.
Awas bang, itunya sayang.
Aman-aman.
Hold overhead.
Okay.
Over.
Over.
Yeah.
Go overhead. Up.
Yep.
Okay. Okay. Hello. Nice to meet you again.
Hey mate, how are you?
Fine, thank you.
Hello.
Bye.
Maybe just kick your shoes off before you come in.
Okay.
Just stops the dirt.
Yes. Okay, it's nice boat. My name is Dodi.
Sarah.
Dodi.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah. This is my son.
So
Oh my,
this,
but-
just the front. We
How long have you been going around the ocean?
since 2018. Yeah.
2018. So
Yeah, we
wow.
bought the boat then. So we lived on it a little while and fixed it up and made it good for us. And then we come to Kupang sailed up the east coast of Australia in 2019, April 1st, and then got to Kupang in June
Okay.
2019.
So how much is this?
How much?
This? You.
For a boat this size now, it needs a lot of work to get it back to right, but probably around 350, 400,000
In Australian
dollars. Yeah.
Wow, it's quite expensive.
Yeah.
Indonesia, how much?
A couple of billion, a few 100 billion rupiah. I don't know how.
In rupiah.
There's lots of zeros.
Miliar.
Miliar.
Yeah.
300.
No. More than that.
I'm not sure in rupiah. 'Cause-
So many zero in.
Yes.
In
So
that.
in Australia, $10 is at 100,000 rupiah
Yes.
Oh, $10.
for 10.
So this is the catamaran, eh?
Yeah. So so our anchor comes up there.
Okay.
Have these nets where you can walk on here,
Oh, so you can. Wow.
and we keep all our dive gear goes in there. We made that at Lombok just to put our dive gear in
Okay.
because we use it all the time. If we see some fish, we'll jump in and shoot some fish. And
put it there.
yeah, we put it there because it's nice to eat, quick and easy to get to.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's all our sails. This is the main one we use all the time, and yeah, and that's the.
So you can just one who is going to operate this one, this sail?
We just you just pull it out. You let
Your wife come to help you?
I can do
one?
it all myself.
Oh, you myself?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. And but I learned. I never sailed before I bought this boat,
Huh?
and I just learned by doing it. Yeah, I just thought, oh, let's go sailing.
Crazy.
But it's easy. It's not hard.
So have you been studying about the you know, the Mary not driving this boat, sailing this boat?
Sailor.
Have you ever go to school to?
No, I ever since I was a kid, I've always had little boats, and then I've got bigger boats, and I used to drive. I used to work for a company and I used to have to drive like big power boats around.
Okay.
So it's just sort of all just years and years of experience.
Oh yes, yes.
So yeah,
Okay.
that's our bedroom. So that's those two hatches are one bedroom under here.
Oh,
I'll show you underneath later. And that's another bedroom. And then these two are just all storage. So we have surfboards and scuba gear, and this side spare sails and ropes.
So big.
Yeah.
So, what kind of engine you use for this boat?
It has 40 horsepower,
40 horsepower.
Yanmar diesel.
Okay.
I'll show you those on the way out.
What if you run out of fuel? What if you run out of fuel?
We have lots of fuel. See all the white,
Oh, so you have
the white
reserves.
cover. There's fuel there, fuel there, fuel there, and then in these two lockers, there's more fuel.
Okay.
And then we have big fuel tanks, like 240 litres on that side, and same on that side. So we have enough to get back to Australia, no problem.
Be careful of the kraken. I still believe on those type of stuff.
Yeah? I'd be scary to see the kraken. Yeah.
Okay, cool.
And I'll have a look. I'll show you the which side works. This side. This is the engine down here.
Oh, yeah, this is on this engine. Oh,
So that motor, I
this
had
water.
to pull that out at when we were in Ambon. That's why we had to pull the motor out and rebuild.
Oh, this is the first motor, and the second one.
The second one on the same on the other side.
Okay.
So pretty much what's on this side is the same on that side. So it's like a mirror,
Yeah.
apart from the kitchen.
You know about the mechanical?
I learned by doing.
Oh my god.
Oh my God!
I have a manual and tools and YouTube and Google.
Everybody study on YouTube. Learn
Yeah.
from the YouTube. Yes, correct.
Yep, I had no idea. I didn't even know how to service a motor when I first bought it.
Hmm?
And then I did a service, and then something will break, and I'll just have to fix it because it's very expensive in Australia to have a mechanic.
Mm-hmm.
Like 1 million rupiah per hour.
Per hour. Wow. So expensive.
Oh, very expensive. So we just do it ourselves.
Okay. This one is the machine engine.
Scuba tanks. We have a water maker, like makes water.
Uh-huh.
So for fresh water,
Okay.
it takes in salt water,
Oh, yeah.
like this water,
Huh?
Filter it.
and filters it and turns it. I'll show you. We have Lee and Sarah's one because they kept their water maker, and then we have our own one which is down that side. I'll just turn the light on. That's
Oh, this one
that's the pump, and that's the filter,
Oh, the filter.
and then that comes out. This is just temporary because it's Lee and Sarah's one, but this makes a lot more water than our one. So we're just using that for now.
Wow. So, how about the taste? Is it still
Really good.
really good?
Yeah, it's better than what you get out of the tap.
What?
Yeah,
Wow.
it's as good as bottled water, like what you bottle.
Yeah. Oh.
All right, have a look. This is just a cockpit area. So we have a station, helm station on both sides.
Yeah.
We can drive from. So So that's pretty straightforward.
I'll take it back.
Hello.
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 So yeah, that's a
This one
dining
is
room,
the
lounge
dining
room.
room, yeah. Wow, it's quite big.
Which one?
movie room.
Movie room.
Theater.
Wow, it's quite big. So come.
Yeah.
Okay.
And this,
It's a bit hot.
What?
The cooking.
So,
Oh yeah.
this is a fridge. So fridges, which
Okay.
is temporary sort of thing. Like, but normally this would be like a navigation. You have a chair there, and you go. That's your electronics, the chart plotter,
Oh, okay.
and radar, and all that type of thing.
Okay.
And then this side's the
The kitchen.
kitchen.
Yes.
Yeah, go down.
mine and
Oh, is it okay?
Yeah.
Really? This one is kitchen. Hi.
Hello.
Are you what cooking?
Pasta.
Oh, pasta. Okay. Well, it's quite big, yeah. Ini.
Yeah. So that's mum and dad's room.
Okay. Ah,
So then
so convenient.
through here. That's Taj and I's room. My brother. And then there is a toilet.
Okay. Wow.
Yeah.
Toilet, yeah. Okay. So this okay. So we can sleep here for two people, yeah?
Yeah, 2 people.
Two people, yeah? Oh, okay. You want to see? Come.
Especially.
Are you
Okay.
going to Yeah.
And that's another water maker under here. So they've got all tools, but it's a bit of a mess. But that's another water maker there.
Yeah.
That's our one. So this is my kids' room for now. This is normally a spare room, but because we got Lee and Sarah and their kids, our kids are on this side, and
Yeah.
so yeah. So everyone, we got our own side. And this is just a shower,
Shower,
toilet, and bathroom.
Okay. How much the fresh water do you have in this boat?
This one holds 400. Was it 280? 360 litres.
1607.
But the water maker makes 104. That water maker out there, is it 140 or 120?
140.
140 litres an hour. So it fills the tanks up in 3 hours.
Oh, how long have you this water can consume for 2 days or 1 day?
That water will last us, just the 4 of us, when it'll last probably two maybe 3 days.
Okay.
But with all of us, we fill it up every day.
Oh, okay.
Because you're washing a lot of dive gear and
Yes,
you
correct.
use a lot of water. But
Yes, correct.
but because you got that water maker, it's good because you can you can replace it very fast.
Yes, correct.
Where my one makes that water maker only makes 40 litres per hour.
But you have to fill the tank when you come to land, is it?
No, we just
just use the filter.
when we're out in the ocean, just turn it on and it makes water. Yeah, it's really good.
Very good. Yes. Correct.
So yeah, that's that.
Wow.
If you want to have a look at that room, it's just,
Hello.
you're more than welcome to have a look.
Oh, okay. But still.
Yeah, it's just another room, same as the one that showed you. You can have a look.
So, abang, kalau adik, Anthony mau lihat? Ah.
So maybe you buy a boat and you
Why?
Don't get any ideas.
Not for us.
Have you ever seen seasick?
Huh?
Have you ever get seasick?
No, when I was young I used to get seasick, but not anymore because
How about the children?
no, Ali might get a little bit sleepy and tired. Well, that's a good excuse for not having to do anything. And Tara gets seasick. And yeah, but no, everyone's sort of used to it. Apart from Tara, I think she's more anxious about being out at sea.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Have you been in a storm or something?
Yeah, all the time.
Yeah?
Yeah. Yeah, that's just because the weather systems are so, because you get travelling
Yeah.
100 miles like yesterday. There was no storms yesterday, but there was lightning everywhere. And you sort of always worried about storms because sometimes they'll just hit you and be strong winds, and you got to make sure you pull the sails down a bit so you don't get ripped the sails.
Yeah.
We've ripped sails before, like
Okay.
that's not good fun because they're very expensive. We just haven't replaced it yet. Yeah.
Oh my god.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Thank you.
No worries.
Jadi kita sudah keliling-keliling ya, diantar oleh pemiliknya. Kita akan pulang lagi ke hotel. Nanti malam kita akan ketemu lagi untuk kita makan malam di hotel.
Hati-hati, Pak.
Oh.
Bye bye Nalukai. Wih, itu apa di bawah?
Yang diumpetin di bawah.
Wah, Bubara. Wah, kita makan malam yang ini ya Pak ya?
Ya, malam ini malam perpisahan bagi keluarga yang datang dari Bandung. Iya, saya tahu. Tapi malam ini kita ganti, kita punya menu, ada pilihan nih. Fish nugget, ada tempe tahu, mungkin surindu kampung halaman, jagung. Ini ikan ayam kampung tapi masak pakai serai, pakai kecap. Ya gado-gado Madiun.
Waduh.
Terong sos kenari sama spaghetti mungkin yang sudah rindu spaghetti. Ada salad juga.
Wah, mantap.
Iya.
Makasih sekali Pak.
Iya, sama-sama. Terima kasih. Ikan bubara sama tuna bowl soup, ikan sup iso, kuah iso. Ya.
Ih, mantap subhanallah. Terima kasih sekali.
Iya, mantap.
Rezeki. Hai. Halo.
How are you?
Fine, thank you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Silakan Pak. Nah ini makan malam kita malam ini. Wih mantap Bang.
Ikan bakar juga tuh.
Siap.
Aku kan suka berantem. Karena suamiku kan begini.
Ganas ini, ganas.
That was nothing. So, yeah.
Yeah, we had one when we were leaving over an hour. It was a really big boat, and they had a lot of fishermen on board, and we were a little bit nervous. So we're not.
Yang paling gede.
Ya, hari ini malam ini kami bertemu dengan traveler dari Australia menggunakan Yacht, dan tadi kita cukup banyak belajar berbagi cerita tentang perjalanan kami menggunakan motorhome ke Indonesia. Sementara kami juga mendapatkan cerita tentang perjalanan mereka, yaitu menggunakan kapal wisata Yacht ke Indonesia dan beberapa wilayah timur di Indonesia. Banyak sekali yang kita pelajari dari beliau-beliau ya, dari mereka ini. Mereka dua keluarga, melakukan perjalanan ini. Ada anak-anaknya 4 dan ibu bapaknya 4 juga. Dan mereka sekarang sedang berada di Banda untuk kemudian besok pagi katanya mereka akan kembali lagi ke Australia karena cuaca atau angin yang memungkinkan untuk mereka kembali ke Australia secepatnya. Ini dia tadi Hakim sama Fabia ngobrol.
Have a good sleep. Thank you. I will. You want to?
Bye bye.
His eyes are.